Homework. Famous firsts. Question 1. Match the person with the correct invention or action. 1. Ada Lovelace created the first computer algorithm. 2. Josephine Cochrane invented the dishwasher. 3. Amelia Earhart flew across the Atlantic Ocean. 4. Pixar used computers to make animated films. 5. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin. 6. Hattie McDaniels became the first African American to receive an Oscar. 7. Joseph Nicephore Niepce took the first photograph with a camera. Question 2. Turn verbs in the sentences into the correct past forms. Sentence 1. People started sending text messages. Sentence 2. Pixar used computers for animation. Sentence 3. Hattie McDaniels became the first African American Oscar winner. Sentence 4. Engineers built a new railway between two cities. Sentence 5. Scientists discovered a new medicine. Sentence 6. Amelia Earhart flew across the Atlantic Ocean. Sentence 7. Joseph Nicephore Niepce took the first photograph. Question 3. Group verbs into correct categories. Action with ideas on the left, actions with objects or places on the right. Verbs are given below the slide. The correct answers are invent, discover, create, start, design, become. All of these verbs are actions with ideas. Next ones. Build, fly, take, use. These are the verbs in the group of actions with objects or places.